my name is Nurfarhan Rosaliza. I'm from Kota Kinabalu, Sabah, and I'm currently Senior Duty Manager with Jen Tanglin, Shangri-La, Singapore. This workshop is very helpful. It's really brainstorming, and also it gives me a new perspective on how I look things after attending this workshop. Yeah. It's really help for me in future, even my private life, to actually to apply like strategic planning, also in my operational skill as a manager. Absolutely, I will recommend to friends and family and everyone who would like to join this MBA program as well of this workshop as well. Thank you, UBA.